everyone, welcome back. Fall is right around the corner. It's my favorite time of year and it's never too early to start getting fall decor ready. So I have 5 new Dollar Tree fall DIYs in this video for you guys today. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure to stick around by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications so you never miss out on a new video. All right, let's get into it. For this DIY, I'm going to be using some of these pumpkin branches from Dollar Tree. I'm also going to be using some of their nautical rope. I just used 1 pack of this for this DIY. I'm going to be creating a cute little pumpkin tree with these. So the first thing I did was lay out one of the pumpkin branches, and then I just started hot gluing the nautical rope up that branch. And then when I got about halfway up, I added another branch with a little bit of hot glue, and then I added another one next to that on the other side with some hot glue, and then I used the nautical rope to keep them in place and just kept wrapping that nautical rope up the branches. And then once I got kind of all the way up to where the branches started stemming off of each other, I wrapped each individual branch. So I used 3 branches or stems of these pumpkins from Dollar Tree, and you could use more if you'd like. If you'd like a bigger tree, it's up to you, but I thought 3 was just enough. And you can see here where I am just wrapping that nautical rope around that single stem there and just wrapping it up until I meet maybe like one of those first leaves up there, just until I like how it looks, I guess. And then I just kept doing that around, and then I would pull the branches apart so that way I would separate them so that it would look like a tree a little bit more. Once that was complete, I needed something for it to sit in, so I used one of these wooden boxes from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to take a drill and drill a hole until I get it big enough to where the stem at the bottom of the tree can fit in. I'm just going to use some flagstone stain that I had lying around, and I'm just going to wipe it on the top and the sides of the box. And I just used a paper towel and wiped that on and wiped the excess off and let that dry. Then I'm going to use a piece of styrofoam that I just cut from some Dollar Tree styrofoam and hot glue that inside the box and place my tree inside through that hole in the styrofoam to hold it up. And I think this tree turned out super cute. You could definitely add lights to it if you wanted to, but I love how it looks. For this DIY, I'm going to make a really pretty sunflower wreath. I just used one of the metal wreath forms from Dollar Tree, and then I used 9 bunches of these sunflowers, but I used them in 3 different colors, so I used 3 of each color for this. And these sunflowers are really good on the bottom. They have a nice big base to be able to hot glue down to the wire wreath form in between the metal pieces. And I just started hot gluing those all around and just alternated in between the colors as I went around the wreath until the whole wreath was all filled up. Next, I'm just going to flip the wreath over and I'm going to cover up the back because it doesn't look very pretty. I'm going to use some of this burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree. It is the perfect width for this wreath form. I'm just going to start off by hot gluing the edge of the ribbon around the outer ring of the wreath, and then I come back and glue the edge of the ribbon to the inner ring of the wreath form, and that is it. It looks so pretty for fall. For this DIY, I wanted to make some fabric pumpkins with these fabric squares from Dollar Tree. I found some perfect colors for fall, and I am going to use these 2 wire baskets from Dollar Tree for my pumpkin forms. I just placed the wire basket upside down on top of the fabric, and then I just gathered the fabric up at the top for the stem and I tied it off with some twine. I'm going to add some leaves with these leaves from Dollar Tree, and then I just tied that off as well. Made sure I tied a really good knot, and that was it. I did another one the same exact way. You can use whatever fabric you find at Dollar Tree. They have a ton to choose from. You can use whatever leaves you find, but this turned out to be great for a big fabric pumpkin for fall. DIY is super easy. I just picked up 3 books from Dollar Tree. Any 3 books will work, even from the used store. I stacked my books on top of each other, and then I used some hot glue to glue each of these books together from biggest to smallest on the top. And I'm not ruining these books by just gluing them together. You can still read them. They're just glued together. And then I'm going to spray paint the outer part of the books and the outer edges of the pages of the books, so that way everything is brass colored. And then I am going to tie a bow around with this ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, and I just tied a bow at the top and cut the excess ribbon and hot glued that bow down at the top there so it stayed nice. And then I had this pumpkin from Dollar Tree that worked perfect with the brass color, and that was it for some pretty fall decor. This last DIY is not really a DIY. I just wanted to show you how I use this cute pumpkin jar from Dollar Tree as a vase. I removed the lid that it originally comes with and replaced it with a regular mason jar lid I already had. You can find these at Dollar Tree. I did this so that way it would have a hole in the top and it would cover the ridges around the edge, but you could also use ribbon and tie like a bow around the edge if you wanted to instead of the mason jar lid. And then next I picked up just a bunch of coordinating flowers at Dollar Tree. I love their fall florals from Dollar Tree. I think they have a great selection and they're just getting better year after year. I only cut one of the bunches of the stems just because it was easier to fit in the vase. The rest I left intact and just placed them in my vase and arranged them how I wanted. And I love how this arrangement looks for fall. It's perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.